Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine if your Windows 10 system hardware meets the minimum requirements to run Windows 11. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So at the time of this recording, there was a Windows utility. I think it was called the System File Health or System Scan utility, something along those lines that Microsoft did push out when the Windows 11 technical preview was released. However, there were a lot of bugs with it and it was detecting a lot of people were unable to run Windows 11 even though they did meet the minimum requirements. So Microsoft pulled that and it has not come back. It's probably been about a month by now. So there is a third-party utility that I have used on several devices here, and it's called Why Not Win 11. I will have this in the description of the video, guys, the link to this GitHub page. And you'll see what it looks like right here. This will give you a rundown of exactly what your system meets given the current requirements as well as your current setup on the right side. And what I like about this tool is they do update it fairly often. So if there's any changes, because Windows is a constantly evolving operating system, as well as the requirements may be relaxed or tightened depending on how things progress here. But let's just give you a general overview right here. Very nice and easy to read as well. So go ahead and select the download latest stable release. And what's nice about it too is if you want to upload it to like a tech support forum, they might be able to help you decipher better what you need to do in order to upgrade to Windows 11. So it gives you a pretty good system rundown that somebody maybe a little more knowledgeable would be able to help decipher for you and tell you if you meet the requirements or what needs to be done. But anyway, you see we have a download here. It was blocked because I'm assuming it's not digitally signed, but we're going to go ahead and select the three-dot icon next to it, and we're going to select Keep. And then I'm going to select Show More, and then I'm going to select Keep Anyway. This file is safe, guys. It's just that Microsoft and Windows Defender and Smart Screen are very overprotective in certain regards, but go ahead and select More Info and then Run Anyway. Guys, this is a safe file as far as I'm aware. I mean, I've used it, I've scanned it, it looks fine. And you can see it gives you exactly what it promises here, and you can see what your system meets and what it does not meet. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.